Welcome, in today's tutorial I will show you how to smoke the heaven from the T-spawn on the Nuke map. So at first go to this spot and stack yourself in here. You have to stick to the wall. As you can see, this second pipe mounting from the wires, like first and second. You have to stack the crosshair in this position. Hold the left click and run forward with W and A pressed to stick with the wall. Then you have to release A and run, and in this position look at the hand and the position of the hand. It's on that thing. It's the moment you're gonna release the smoke. So once again, go to this wall, stack here, aim on here, hold the left click, then W and A, release the A. As you can see, hand's gonna touch this, you release the smoke. As you can see, smoke is gonna bounce from these silos and end up in heaven. This is a little bit complicated smoke, but you can learn this quickly. Few times you throw it and you are fine. Thanks for watching, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel. Bye!